Hey guys, welcome back to the DUSTIN Homestead Outlaw channel. And today we have kind of a situation going on that I'd like to talk to you guys about. You remember Avalanche, our white Great Pyrenees dog? Well, Avalanche, it's kind of a long story, but I'll just kind of sum it up. Avalanche was best friends with the goose. Something came in and killed the goose, thinking maybe bobcat, and since then Avalanche does not want to stay on our homestead. Actually moved down the road to the neighbor's house, and just they want to adopt the dog, and the dog seems happy over there, doesn't want to be over here. So it's kind of a traitor, kind of ticks me off a little bit. So we're getting a different dog. I was happy with 3 large dogs on the homestead, so we're going to go ahead and I've looked into breeds, and I think the Rottweiler is a perfect breed for our homestead. It's originally a farm dog, a herding dog, and it's a guard dog. And so this Rottweiler is a purebred German Rottweiler. So we've looked into the Rottweiler. We decided we're going to get a Rottweiler. We found a little 9-week-old puppy, and we're going to go ahead and get that dog. I think start as a little puppy so it can grow up on the homestead. I'm sorry that Avalanche didn't work out, but you know, that breed's kind of a wandering breed. It has something to do with the goose, its best friend, dying. It just maybe too hard of memories here. That's what I kind of think it is. It's just too much. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna load up, and we're gonna go get the puppy, and we hope that you stay with us. Excited over the Rottweiler?
Yeah.
Oh.
Very excited.
Very excited.
Very excited. I know you guys get this a lot, but can I take a picture?
This is a sweet daddy.
Thanks, man. Don't touch it. So guys, if you want to get me a birthday present, you can put this on the list right here.
See the license plate on that thing?
Oh, I didn't.
Million Mile Enzo.
What's Million Mile Enzo?
It's got how many?
Google it.
What's that?
Google it. It's the highest Mount Enzo in the world.
The highest mountain in the world?
Highest mile Enzo in the world.
Oh.
Most miles of any Enzo in the world.
Oh, okay.
There are 399 made, and this has got the most miles on it.
Oh, wow.
So
I never saw this fancy of
you
a car.
can Google Enzo and read about it.
I want it.
Sponsors?
It's part of a foundation. Clarence here he can tell you about it.
Yeah, we have sponsors.
Okay.
The company raced on the salt flats, so it ran on the salt flats. It did about 237 miles an hour in 2010. Set a land speed record for its category.
Wow.
Or class.
Stop.
You want to give a shout out? This goes on YouTube.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Sure. Shout out to who?
I don't know if you want
We're gonna see it.
If you want to give yourself a shout out.
Oh, no. You can shout out the car.
I'm giving the shout out.
It's not about me, man. It's about the car. It's about the experience. I just put gas in it and drive it. That's all.
Is it nerve-wracking driving such a car like this?
No, it's not.
It's not. Probably the insurance helps take that nerve off.
Takes the edge off.
Takes the
yeah.
edge off.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the guy we drove on the freeway.
Oh, it's sick.
He's just going over and down.
Thanks, guys. Okay, we're here for the Rottweiler puppy, I guess.
This could be an old plane.
So I can't believe hanging out over here in a small little redneck town like Fillmore, Utah. We're seeing Ferraris and then this thing.
Speedboat.
Don't touch it.
Wow, where are you coming from? All right.
jet. Go. Go by the fish. I think this thing goes underwater. Or does this thing go underwater?
No, it goes on the ground. See the tire?
Oh, there's on towels.
Huh?
This is
Go ask. That's salt. They go on the salt flats. See that? How are ya? Can we ask you some questions about this? Okay.
It's the world's fastest race car. 500 mile per hour car last October.
You do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yes.
You want to give a shout out to the YouTube channel? So why YouTube channel? It's Dustin, you don't get outlaw.
Oh. Mine's Jinx, Jinx, Vesco, Vesco. Yep.
Okay.
And if you Google Team Vesco, or we have a website too, teamvesco.com.
The moment's happening. The dog is on his way.
So soft.
I just gave him a bath and put conditioner in his hair. He was our biggest male.
Biggest male?
Yeah.
I just want to
Biggest male?
Yeah.
So it's not the rut of the litter? No. That's
No.
good.
What do you think?
Cute.
I'm gonna hold so bad.
He's really cute. He was running around the house after I gave him a bath, like rubbing his head on the carpet, trying to dry himself off.
These are fun.
And you have more pictures of your dogs.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the mom and dad. You guys sell these. Can you give us your YouTube channel name?
It's Viegas Family Kennels, and we also have an Instagram page that's under the same name. So you can follow us there and see pictures and just watch our videos and subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. We'll put the link in the description down below, and maybe at the end of the video too. We'll put one of them little cards you can click on, and you can see the siblings to this dog. I believe we have your last one, but you're gonna have litters here in the future.
Yep, we'll have future litters.
So, do you guys ship? Would you ship? So, if somebody's like back east wants one of these dogs, would you?
Yep.
You ship
We'll
them?
ship them as long as they pay for the
You guys pay?
shipping costs.
Of course, of
Yeah.
course. That'd be pretty costly.
Yeah.
But yeah, they'll ship them to you. You guys can watch the dog grow up on our homestead, and if you like it, you know where I've got it from now.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we're back. The Rottweiler here, little baby. I think we're going to name him Roscoe. We're thinking maybe about Roscoe. Get him familiar with the surroundings. Introduce him to the chickens and the farm animals we have here. Make sure he doesn't become a chicken killer when he grows up. And so, welcome to the family, Roscoe, or Captain Roscoe. I want to name him Lieutenant Dan because we have Sergeant Ruger, Lieutenant Dan, but we'll go with Roscoe, Captain Roscoe.
Yeah.
And all right, we'll keep you updated. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.